Do you have someone that is ignoring you that you'd like to talk to? Make a person stop ignoring you. They will text you. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. We're here 5 days a week because we believe that you deserve the money you desire, the love that you crave, and the health and vitality and happiness that you depend on. Hey, be sure and click the bell icon when you subscribe because we are here to empower your life. We're going to empower your life by helping you get people to stop ignoring you. You know, I've put out several videos, and if you read the comments, people get tremendous results. But this video may be the most important because it deals with your vibration. It deals with how you think. So the first key is trust. You have to have absolute, complete, total trust that your intention is to have this person stop ignoring you and to text you. You have to have trust that it is happening. Not going to happen, it is happening. You are bringing, as we oftentimes say, the invisible into the visible. And so what happens is when you develop this trust, who are you trusting? What are you trusting? Well, first and foremost, you're trusting the universe. If I put out an intention and then I sit there and worry about it, well, wait a minute. She hasn't texted me yet. She hasn't texted me. When is she going to text? I've tried this for 3 days. It hasn't worked yet. She's never going to text me. You see, there's no trust in that. You have to have absolute, total, complete trust in the universe. Secondly, you have to trust that you are worth it. You are worth the attention. You are worth the text. You are worth the phone call. Believe in yourself. Number 2, this is really important. I use a technique you won't find many people talking about it. Everybody will talk about do this 8-hour meditation or do this 5-hour meditation, Meditate until blood is coming out of your eyeballs. No, I believe in many flicks. Back in the old days, they used to call movies flicks. And I believe in a 60-second mini flick. So I simply pick up my phone and I may close my eyes or I may do it with my eyes open. I close my eyes, I visualize Rachel texting me. Yeah. And she's saying this and she's saying that. And I think I will text her back. I visualize it 1 minute. It's a mini flicks. It's a mini visualization. Look you can do that 2 or 3 times a day. And you're putting out that energy into the universe. You're putting out a picture of what you desire. And then you get back to your life and you get on with your life and you don't burn up the phone looking at it. Number 3 is detach from outcome. So high flyers, as I said earlier, people are just, when is somebody going to text? I got to get a text from somebody. Oh, there's a junk text. That'll be good enough. No, it doesn't work that way, high flyers. Detach from outcome. Take the phone and turn it off if necessary. I mean, if you're checking that phone every few moments, if you're wondering when that text is coming through, then turn it off. I mean that. Because if you don't detach, you don't show, remember we talked about trust? You don't show that complete trust and you don't allow that energy to start flowing into your life. It feels good when that text comes through. And when it comes through, you realize, what was I getting nervous about? What was I wondering if this text was going to happen or not? Why was I doing all that? Why was I torturing myself? You know, you don't need to torture yourself. Okay, text. It's easy. You know, detach. Detach. The text will come. Detach. Let it happen. Let it go and let it flow. High flyers. Let me share the last two, which are very important. But let me say this. If you are in a relationship and you're having trouble in your relationship, or you'd like to save your relationship or your marriage, claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching. Absolutely free. Visit our website at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Okay, number 4, absolute certainty. You see, if I put out an intention that someone is going to text me, I do not leave any room for doubt. None. Nada. No room for doubt. Absolutely not. Absolute certainty. Total faith. Total certainty that the text is coming. It'll come at the right time, in the right moment, and I'll be ready for it. And that's that. And I just let it go. I detach from the outcome and I move on with my life. Simple as that. Number 5, manifest it. Don't try. People will say, oh, I think I'm going to try that method, Robert. Can I try that technique? High flyers. High flyers. It's not the technique. It's you. You see, once you say to yourself, I'm not going to try it. I'm just going to do it. And let it happen. And go about your day. Go about your life. The text will come. When you least expect it. When you least expect, 2 o'clock in the morning. 2 o'clock in the morning. It happens. I've had clients tell me. They say, yeah, I did it at like 9 a.m. And at 2 o'clock in the morning, there was the text. Oh, yeah. That's great. That's exciting. This really, really works. Hey, share with me down below here 2 things. The great results that you're getting from people texting you and no longer ignoring you. Share with me what's happening down there and tell me how much you love my hat. Here's some other videos I know will help you.